As I'm back with part 2 of the adventure maps. Yes, so I think it was on level 3. Yes. Okay, so co-walking. So 30 seconds. Okay. Oh no. Oh, that hurts like badly. So what you're supposed to do is I think is this. I think you have to avoid these other things. Oh no. Oh, ouch. Don't open this door. Ow. I'll just wait for my I'll wait for it. I need to wait. Yes! Yes! Yay! 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 Next level! Touch that next level! Touch the next level! Yes! Okay. One of those fences above you. Weapons. Ha ha ha. Ooh, some super health. Thank you. Okay. Ah no. Oh, that is hard. No, this possibly cannot be. Oh, I'll just go back to spawn. Well, that was weird. Okay, I'm on level 5. Ow! Oh no, there's one. Don't push me into the lava. This is so unfair. Like, I cannot stop him. Like, yeah. So I'm just gonna shoot a bit just for the video. Level 6. Here we go. Level 6. Drop and survive. There are lots of rewards. Back to lobby. No. Just go to peaceful. What time? Gonna do this, but I'm not gonna do any cheats. Time set 1-5 months. Just for a checkpoint. Oh, come on, let's go. So yeah, I had to do that bit. Okay. Survive. Wow. Need to fall into this. Yes. First go round. Oh, now how am I supposed to get to the middle? Well, where I'm supposed to be. Oh, where is it? Oh yeah. You're doing great. I know I am. Pick us up. Yep. Find the button which will take you to the next level. Oh, come on. I'm not good at mining. Actually, at all. Aha. Next level. Pretty good. I want my checkpoint. Not done. I want to go to bed. Okay. See how long it's been going. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording here because 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So yeah, see you guys.